Assalamu alaikum all of you. Welcome back to Arkham Studio Creations. Today I am going to tell a dua about when sneezing. Sneezing is considered in Islam as a blessing from Allah Ta'ala. When you are about to sneeze, turn your face away or cover your nose with your hand or handkerchief to avoid the germs from spreading immediately. Say the following: Alhamdulillah, all praise is due to Almighty Allah. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.
محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم محمد